Available now at Titan Machinery of Bismarck. We have a 2007 Kobelco Sk50 with 2200 hours. This mini excavator features auxiliary hydraulics and a hammer circuit, along with a 5-foot dipper and 18-inch bucket, and 16-inch tracks with 80% tread. The open cab features rollover protection. If you're interested in this Kobelco Sk50 and would like to contact their sales staff, give them a call at 701-250-7925. To view other available used equipment, check out bismarck.titanmachinery.com.